Right down there on the inside of the track. Last time I saw this here, Jimmy Johnson's back in June of last year, they were all wearing funny hair. They were in the Madagascar house. The Madagascar hair and the Madagascar paint scheme on the car.
It's all over here at Dover International Speedway. Jimmy Johnson dominating fashion is playing the late 400 for NASCAR Sprint Cup Series. It's a fifth career win. This area coming up when he finally makes it around back to victory lane. Right now, it's here for our top time finishers. Start with that one.
Just getting out of the race cars right now, getting full drinks, a nice little afternoon handling the next mile for 400 miles. And in fact, let's go back to the right now.
Joey Logano, who's debriefing a little bit after the race. Joey, not too far away from the weekend sweep. Tell us about your day.
How do you like to?
صورني هك
Where?
Second today, Red, White, Blue National Guard, Chevrolet, Dale Earnhardt Jr. going around this race car right now, shaking hands with everybody in this race car. People for the spot short. What's the difference in the end?
That's the winner right there who's driving around right now. That's the winner today.